welcome back. So I know you're like, we've seen that look before. So yes, you have, but I wanted to do, as far as, you know, you've seen the look all come together, but I wanted to do, I just sat down, I was planning my makeup, and I came up with like this blue and kind of like a pale pink. It's reminiscent of the Barbie look that I recently did. I'll link that in the cards for you. But I feel like this is more wearable if I'm just going out. It's not gonna be like boom. And with the Barbie inspired look I did, because of the eyeliner, it was so in your face, it could have been a little like, oh okay, like that would definitely, for me, be a nighttime look. But this I feel like you could wear for like a midday brunch, and you can wear it in the evening. It's really wearable. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So originally I was gonna do this all as a voiceover, but I think it'll be a combination of voiceover and kind of talk through. I know I did a lot of chatting, but thank you for tuning in. If you have not already, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel, helps my videos get out to more eyeballs, and we definitely want that. Also, if you have not already and you are new here, and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. I share beauty tips, I share inspirational tips, I share, lifestyle content. I recently posted a vlog, a travel vlog, so if you haven't seen that, I will link that in the cards for you as well. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos go up, which they go up on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. I would love to have you here. I would love to have you a part of the family. So yeah, go ahead and hit subscribe. I can't wait to chat with you in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!